So you are 14 to 18 years old, right? You are watching self-development videos online, you are probably watching Hamza, you are watching Iman Gadzhi, maybe you are watching Andrew Tate, and you want to learn how to get better, how you can be more productive, how you can make more money, how you can retire your parents, how you can travel the world, how you can buy that Rolex watch, right? And you are learning and watching videos every single day, and you want to get better, and you are thinking and dreaming about that future life that you are going to have. So in this video, I want to tell you my honest advice and what I would tell my younger self, because right now I'm 21 and I've made over $500,000 in the past couple of years. It completely changed my life, and I started really from a poor country in Europe, from Armenia. I was making just $4 a month online when I was 16, right? By making someone else's content on social media. So far, I've been making more than $10, $20, $30,000 a month every single month in the past few years consistently. It changed my life. I was able to travel the world. I was able to buy this dream apartment of mine. I was able to help my parents. A lot of things, right? But that's not the point. The point is that I want to tell you that I've made a lot of mistakes that you should know if you're in this age, or if you're young, even if you're in your 20s, right? But particularly people that are under 18 or somewhere there, that what you should do and what you should pay attention to really have the life that you can be proud of, right? When it comes to your health, when it comes to your wealth, when it comes to your freedom, because it's not just about the money, right? It's also about your relationships, about your health, etc. I want to tell you my honest advice of, if I was 14 to 18 years old, what exactly you need to pay attention to right now, and what things you need to avoid. And let me tell you, 99% of the advice that you are getting online is complete bullshit, and that can really ruin your life, right? A lot of these people, they are watching that, they are just trying to not help you, but they are trying to get rich off you. I have nothing against them, right? Everyone does what they want, but in this video I will just tell you the brutal honest truth, because I was once at your age and at your exact situation of looking at all of these people wanting to be successful, right? Watching all these videos, but I have never achieved anything. And I want to tell you what you need to do right now, to what you need to change, what deadly mistake you should avoid, so you won't regret it later, to have the life that you want. So the first thing that is very important for you to understand is that you need to pick one skill that you are going to develop. Let me explain, right? Probably you are watching videos, you are watching Iman Gadzhi videos, Hamza's videos, you want to start an SMMA, you are watching self-development, but let's be honest, is there one skill that you are really good at? Is there one skill that other people will pay you for? I don't know, is it storytelling? Is it marketing? Is it sales? Is it content creation? Whatever it is there a skill that you are really super good at and you develop every day? If not, and this is one of the biggest mistakes that I've made when I was your age and I was younger, if I understood this sooner, I would make way more money right now, and I would be way more successful. This is so painful for me that I want you to pay attention to this. So please, develop one skill set. Stop watching everyone else's videos. Stop watching 10, 20, 30 videos in a row on YouTube. It's mental masturbation. It's not going to help you. What's going to help you is picking one skill that you like, that you are interested in, and just becoming the best at it. It can be anything. Do you like writing? That can be it. Do you like talking, storytelling? That can be it. Do you like video editing? You love it, you are passionate about it, you will do it for free? Start there. Ignore everyone else, ignore all other business models, ignore everything. Because you can make money, you can live the life that you want, you can achieve your dreams, you can achieve your goals, you can become healthier, you can become fitter, you can have more money, you can travel the world, you can achieve all of these things, you can make your parents or everyone else proud of you by just following one thing. You shouldn't just start this business or that business or do this, right? Pretty much most of these ways work. You can become rich by affiliate marketing, you can become rich by starting a YouTube channel, you can become financially free by starting a Twitter account, you can do that by sales, by marketing, by learning how to code. All of these things work, but you just need to pick one of them and become good. Because think about it, if someone is trying to go to the gym and at the same time run a marathon, and at the same time has a business on YouTube, and they also create content on Instagram, but they also, by the way, watch some TikTok videos every day, and at the same time they watch Iman Gadzhi's course on how to start an SMMA agency, and at the same time they follow Hamza and they understand how they can boost their testosterone or how they can become more masculine, and at the same time, or there's one person that just every day they just go to the gym and they take care of their health, and they maybe go to school, they maybe have a job, whatever, but the time frame that they have free, let's say 2-3 hours in a day that they have, that they can allocate towards something, all of that time they are spending into copywriting, or they are spending it into video editing. Who is going to beat the other person? Of course, the person that is focused. And this took me so much time to learn. And if you're 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, even 20, 25, 21, doesn't matter. Everyone has their own like phase and speed of life that they're going through, right? It's not as much about age, it's about understanding this, that you need to become good at one thing. And what it is for me, it was starting and scaling YouTube channels. About 3-4 years ago when I started, I didn't know anything, right? So what I did, I said, okay, I'm going to pick one thing. It's going to be YouTube channels. I was passionate about YouTube, I loved it, I was watching YouTube videos myself, so I thought, let me start it. And I didn't want to show my face, but it didn't stop me. I started faceless YouTube channels. Literally, I created channels where I didn't show my face, and I started creating content there and improving every day. I didn't know how to edit, I didn't know any of it. I just started doing that, literally, that was it. And while other people were watching content, starting 5 businesses, I was developing one skill set on how to become good at YouTube. And when I did it, my faceless channels took off 3-4 years ago. I made my first $24,000 in a single month. The first year I made over $127,000. It completely changed my life. And from that point, I've started other companies. Yes, I diversified. I made few $100,000 into other spaces, into online education, helping other people to do it as well. So many things, right? Collaborations, all of this stuff. I've grown my Instagram personal brand to almost 100,000 followers, a lot of things. But the way that I started is one thing. And that's the second reason, that you need to focus. You need to stop watching so many educational videos on YouTube. You need to cut it off, and you need to start doing something for one skill set. And you know what's the good news? The good news is that you can pick what you want. You don't have to start a YouTube channel. You don't have to start an SMM agency. You don't have to do an Amazon FBA. You don't have to start consulting business or coaching business. You don't have to do any of them. You choose what you are going to do. And I would recommend you to not pursue that hot thing. If that hot thing is Bitcoin or crypto and it's growing, but you have no passion about that, don't start that. You are going to quit. Don't chase just the trending thing. Pick the thing that you are genuinely interested about. For me, it was YouTube channels, posting content that people want to watch, entertaining people, educating people. And that's why I was good at it, because I was enjoying it. So that's the biggest thing, that you can choose one thing that you are enjoying and you can do that. So now you can say, I don't know what it is. No, I think that you do know what it is. You are probably watching content every day online, right? Probably you are in self-development. Probably you want to become healthier, you want to become more happy, you want to make more money. So these are already interests that you have. So why not just start there? If you think that making money is really interesting for you, start there. Start a Instagram page, start a YouTube channel, start a business where we talk about that. So it's not about any business model, that. It's about picking business model and sticking with it, and that's it. This is the biggest secret. But do you know why most people don't tell it to you? Because let's say they are selling a course about how to start growing on Instagram, right? But then once they're done, they create another product on how to become an affiliate marketer. And of course, to make money, they are not going to talk about how affiliate marketer is the best business model, and they are going to tell you all of these fact stories to change your mind, so now you can buy that another course. And that's how the online space works. But what people don't tell you is, if you pick one skill and you just keep doing that over and over and over again, you can make so much money that is crazy. And when you pick that thing, you also simplify your life. And then you have more freedom, you have more peace of mind, more clarity of mind, you can have more time for your health, for your freedom, and you will stop wasting your life going out to friends that don't help you, playing video games all day, drinking all day, going out and not doing anything productive for your life, procrastinating. Because when you make progress in one thing and you care about that and you love that, you will feel excited, you will love that dopamine, and you would love to improve all other areas of your life. You would love better relationships, you would love better health, you would love to become better at philosophy or a mindset, all of these things. Self-development, to become a wiser person, a person that understands how to be happier, how to be more peaceful, how to be more productive, all of these things. But it all starts in one thing. But if you keep watching all of these videos, if you're 13, 14, 18, if you keep watching, if you have all of this information nowadays, it's just an overdose of information. Stop. That, you need to basically cut out all of that stuff, cut out all the noise, unfollow the people on Instagram right now, delete the apps that are not serving you, and just pick one thing that you're passionate about and make progress towards that every single day. And once you do that, I guarantee, not only you will make more money, you will be more peaceful, you will be happier, you will be more proud of yourself, but overall, all aspects of your life will improve. I'm not saying that it's going to be easy. For me to get to a point where I didn't have any money, to making so much money, hundreds of thousands of dollars, changing my life, right? Traveling the world, seeing so many cool people, buying the things that I want, having that freedom that I don't have to go and work 9 to 5 for the rest of my life, all these things. It all happened not overnight. I struggled, I went through difficulties, I watched videos like this, I tried to start something, it didn't work, I went through all of this, but I just kept working on one thing and developing it and becoming better at it, and once you do, you start growing exponentially. You try for 6 months, there are no results, and then the 7th month, you make your first $1,000 a month, or you make your first $2,000 a month, or $10,000 a month. It's different for each person, but for as long as you keep one skill set, that you keep working on that, you will become more disciplined, because now that you have one thing that you are going to consistently become better at, right? You will take care of your health, you will take all of the aspects of your life will improve. You will attract more girls, you will attract more good relationships, you will attract more money into your life, you will attract all of these things will happen. People will respect you, but it all starts from picking one thing, starting working on it, being okay with sucking at first when you are not good enough, being okay with that. Keep working on it, keep bettering yourself, because there's nothing better that you can do in these years. Don't listen to people that tell you, oh, just enjoy your, when you're young, right? Yes, of course, enjoy it. That's why I'm telling you to pick one thing, so you can have the time for other things as well. But you can't just be degenerate and go and have fun all day, every day, 7 days a week for 10 years, and then say, oh, why am I broke? That's the reason. So if you are watching this, understand that you're already ahead of 99% of the people. If you've made it to this point, you have a better attention span than 99% of the people in this world, and this is not an exaggeration. Most people, maximum that they can watch is 1 minute TikTok video. Even that was too long for them. They watch 10-second videos, that's all they do. So you have no competition. If you have made it to this point, you already want to develop yourself. You already want to get better advice. You want to become healthier, fitter, make more money, travel the world, you want all of these things. The only thing that you need to do is just start. Pick that one thing and you have that in your mind. Whatever it is, pick that one thing and go all in. And I promise you, when you are 20, 25, 30, 40, you will thank yourself, because you would make more money. You would have a skill set that no one can take away from you. If they take your money, you have that skill set of how to help people, of how to solve problems, on how to create content online. Whatever it is, it's just that you need to start taking action. You need to stop waiting, you need to stop procrastinating, you need to stop wasting your time and life on all these things that don't matter. You need to make a goal. What is it for you? One goal, 5K a month, 10K a month, become healthier, become fitter, and start working on it every day, day by day. If you do that, there is no way that your life won't change with time and consistency. The only way that it won't happen is if you give up. This is the only way, and this is the only thing that I would tell to my younger self. Focus on one thing, develop your skill set, ignore and cut out everything else, all the apps, all the distractions, all the music, all the friends, all the entertainment, all the things that are not serving you. Cut that out, pick one project, pick one thing that is meaningful to you, ignore all other noise, ignore all other business models, start working on that, and you will see in 5 years, you will be so much further ahead than if you keep watching these videos, if you keep wasting your life. Stop that and you just start one thing and you do that. That's it sounds simple, but that's what can truly change your life. And if you look at all of these people, if you look at Andrew Tate, if you look at Elon Musk, if you look at Lionel Messi, if you look at Cristiano Ronaldo, any person that you admire, or they are making money, or they are successful in their field, or they are respected, or they are helping people, all of these people, they just started with one thing. Messi didn't start 5 things. Messi started playing football, right? And then when he became good at it, in 10 years, he started doing promotions, he had his Instagram account, and now he can make money with other ways besides football, but this is one thing. So please, if you're 13, 18, 20, whatever it is, if you are a young person watching this video, stop wasting your life. If you want to go and have fun, do that. I'm not the one to tell you what you should do in your life, but you have made it to this point, then you probably want to get better. And the best way to do that is to just get started. Now you can say, Howard, this sounds good. Now, how practically can I start? I understand this. I understand I need to cut out bad stuff. I understand this is the golden years of my life where I can make progress, when I can get better, when I can learn, when I can read books, when I can make money, when I can have these connections to people. So when I'm 30, I can have good family. I can have the freedom financial to provide the best life to my family, right? I can travel the world. I can help people. So to achieve that things, I understand that now I need to act, and I need to act on one thing. But what I can do, and my best advice, and as I said, if you have something in your mind already, great, do that. Don't listen to me, right? Listen to your intuition. But if you don't know what to do, this is for that people that have no idea. They kind of know what they want, where they want to go, but they don't know exactly. So if you're that person, my best advice to you right now is the following. Start getting attention online. If it's starting posting reels on Instagram, if it's creating YouTube videos, if it's creating content, doesn't matter. It will document your journey. It will develop your skill set of storytelling, of getting attention, of being comfortably talking with people. It will grow you so much that it will completely change your life. So start getting attention online, and this is the biggest thing, the biggest skill set that I would recommend to my younger 14, 15, 16-year-old self to make money, to become better, all of these things. As I said, if you don't want to show your face, you can do that. If you don't want to show your face, if you want to build a personal brand, you can do that. But if you want to know my exact story on how I've done, like practically, right? On I did this, I clicked this, I did this is exactly when I had no money, I was young, I didn't have anything, how I made money on the internet. If you want to learn that, then you can click this video that will pop up right now on your screen. I'm not selling anything to you in that video, and it's my whole story on how I turned $4 into $500,000 at the age of 21 in a couple of years. So if you want to learn that, make sure to click the video if you are interested, and I thank you for your attention and for watching. You got this. Let's get it.